Hi guys, this time we're gonna use move command, and when you look at my screen in here, the shape that's in white color is my original object and the one in red is moved object, but there is no such a way that I can represent how it's been moved, so I just use copy command to place them all in my view and with the dimension information in it. So let me show you how to do move command quickly. Let's move everything down by 5,000 and let me copy my original object. Put it back to where it was. Always prefer to start from 0, 0. Let's turn grid off by hitting F7. Okay, then the first object that I'm trying to use is this one on the right hand side. This only have 5,000 dimensions shown on it, which means do your move command or go to home tab and modify ribbon panel and hit move. Then this asks you to select object, which is the shape, and once you select it, hit enter. Right. And specify base point. So base point means where you started from, and in this case we've got a dimension and direction written or shown, so you can pick any place, but let me place this at the bottom left corner of my box. Then move your mouse to the right. You can bring this one up or left or bottom, and at the moment my ortho is on, which is this symbol down here, 90 degree, or hotkey is F8. So when F8 is off, you can bring this object anywhere you want it. Right, but at this time we want this to be straight, so F8 again, turn this ortho on and bring your mouse to the right hand side and just type any dimension that you want, so which is 5,000 for me, and hit enter. So now it's moved. Okay, so one object is done, and the way that you can check proper location of your geometry box is just type ID, enter, then go and click any point, then this will display some information about the point where I clicked. So dock your command bar to the bottom, hover over your mouse to see a bit more information, to drag it up. So specify point where I click this bottom left corner that's moved. It says X is 5,000, Y and Z is 0, which is all good. So one move command is done. Erase and put this one back. Move where it was 0, 0. Then what about this? Okay, let me undo one more time. I may leave as it is, but change this color when it's done. So change it to yellow. Alright, so one object is done. And put this one back to 5,000. And let's do on the top right corner, which has got 3,000 and 5,000. Two different dimensions are located to the bottom left corner. Alright, and we will use coordination number X and Y, so that goes to the left hand side. Let me turn grid on first. When you see this icon in here at the bottom left corner, it says X and Y. X goes to the right hand side, which is in red, and Y is one in green that goes to the top. So when you type any value, X comes first, then comma, then Y comes after. Right. Let's do move command before you select it. Move or M enter, then select your icon, enter or spacebar. Specify base point, again bottom left corner. So I want this corner to be moved by 5,000 to the x-axis, and another one to 3,000 by y-axis. So how to type it? So 5,000, comma 3,000, then enter, and that's it. And double check the geometry location by typing ID, then hit bottom left corner, then it tells you X 5,000, Y 3,000. Okay, then put this one back again, 0,0. So second one is done. Change this color to red, yellow, sorry. And the third one is XY 1235 by 1375. The same way that we moved this second object, you can do M enter, which is move command, select them all, enter, base point, hit bottom left corner, then type the number 1235, comma 1375, enter, then check your ID and click. Then you've got 1235 and 1375 is shown below, right, from this 0,0. Right, so this is a moved object. So this is how you use move command, and hope this helped, and thanks for watching.